For affiliate marketing advice, read on. Have you ever had an issue, such as a health problem, that kept you up all night? How many hours did you spend searching on the internet for some quick remedy so you could fix it and get back to sleep? Thousands of people go through this every day, and they are just dying to find the affiliate product that really solves their problem. Promoting good, useful products you believe in sets you apart from the rest and will make your sales take off. This video will discuss many ways to increase your marketability. To best market your site, you should know what keywords people are using to search for you. This will allow you to see if various marketing campaigns are working, such as if you've been pushing a particular product or keyword phrase, and which of your marketing efforts might need some more work. Consider weekly or monthly prizes. Visitors will keep coming back to your site to see what the prize is. Don't forget to keep their interest by providing relevant information that they want to learn about. This is also a good way to get sign-ups to your newsletter. Tell them you will notify them about the prize through email. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, make sure to check out the company's conversion rate. This is the proportion of site visitors that actually buy the product they're selling. A good site will have about a 1% conversion rate. A site with a low conversion rate isn't worth the effort you'll have to put out to direct traffic there. There's no question that, if you hit on a true need, your affiliate products will sell like hotcakes. People are willing to pay for genuinely useful information. And promoting good, useful products already sets you apart from so many of the other people out there pushing junk. Use the advice, tips and ideas in this video to promote useful products you believe in and watch your sales take off. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.